Expert in the kitchen, where the colors all play. You're staring at an empty board, thinking, where do I start today? But charcuterie's a canvas, and the flavors are your paint. Every cured slice and crumble tells a story soft and fade.
Wood, slate, or stone, big enough for your vision. Make the platter feel like home. Texture sets the mood, gives the feast a little grace. Your board is the foundation, your delicious centerpiece space.
Pick your meat, salami, prosciutto more. Roll them, fold them, fan them out, let your layout explore. Give the classics the spotlight, let the richness unfold. Meats are the heartbeat of the board, savory bold.
Take your time, trust your taste, let your senses lead the way. Say thank you for the colors you put on display. Every board's a celebration, every spread a little art. Charcuterie isn't cooking, it's crafted from the heart. Step in,
Choose your board, set the stage with style. Fold them up and make them smile.
Step 3,
cheese is soft or sharp, balance every bite.
Step 4, fruits and color
make the whole thing bright.
Spreads and bread, the crunch that holds it all.
Step 6,
spreads and honey,
let the sweetness call.
Step 7,
then with garnish,
herbs, nuts,
wow and flair.
7 steps
to charcuterie art you eat and share. How expert in your kitchen when you're learning what to choose, turning simple grocery moments into feasts you never lose.
Step 3,
choose your cheeses, soft, hard, blue. Breathe for butter softness, cheddar sharp and true. Mix textures, mix flavors, give each palate a chance. Charcuterie is a love song and cheese begins the dance.
fruits and color,
Grapes, berries, dry.
sweetness, keep your
Flavors amplified. Let your board look like sunrise with every juicy tone. Color makes your guests feel warm and welcome, not alone.
Stretch your crispy frame, everything sits on them.
So choose ones with aim.
Variety is the secret.
Thin, thick, seeded grain.
They're the rhythm of the board.
The beat in your refrain. Every slice, every crumble is a moment you design. Every spread is a story told one flavor at a time. Say, guide me in the details, let the harmony feel right. Charcuterie is balance, salt and sweet, dark and light. Choose your board, slate or wood divine. To magic roll 'em tight, make 'em shine. Cheese soft to sharp, keep the palate wide.
Pour fruits and colors.
Let the beauty collide.
Crunch foundation,
Crackers, bread on display.
spreads and honey.
Sweet the savory way.
Say 7,
Garnish and finish.
thyme and nuts.
Herbs this way.
7 steps,
To charcuterie, your edible ballet. How expert in the flavors and the choices you refine, bringing everyday creators to the artistry divine. It's not just food, it's a moment on a board. Every grape and fold of meat is a memory restored. Let your instincts play freely, let the board tell the tale. Balance isn't perfect, it's a feeling you unveil.
in the flourish.
When the colors intertwine, helping hearts become creators, one simple board at a time.
Pick your masterpiece apart, the masterpiece of me. It's of abundance, and the sweet, nuts, singing, creamy.
Bold, refined, turning anyone who listened to a charcuterie friend.